Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with you.
It's Immy again.
And we're here to talk about how you make your decisions about what to do with your time. So I've been doing a series all about self-care and what we do to look after ourselves, and I wondered what you do to look after yourself when you need to relax.
When I need to relax, I just say I'm going to stay in my room for a bit, and I just lie down in my bed really calmly and watch my Kindle until I've had enough calm down.
Okay, and what if you didn't have the Kindle? What would you do then?
I would just try and take a nap, and I would try to maybe write a story or something to calm me down.
What kind of stories do you like to write?
I like to write horror ones sometimes.
Do you?
Yeah, and I also like to write fairy tales.
Oh.
So.
And what else do you like to do if you aren't in your room to look after yourself? What kind of things?
If I'm like at parks, I would just go where everyone else is not to calm down and climb on trees and just calm myself down. So that helps me.
And what do you do if you can't sleep at night? If you're feeling like you're a bit restless?
I talk to myself until I find out what's wrong with me and why I'm woken up, and then I try everything. Like I try to close my eyes, I try the bathroom, and then eventually I just fall asleep. So it's much easier. And I don't turn on any lights normally.
Good idea, to keep it dark.
Yeah, and that just makes me want to go. So yeah.
And what do you like to do if you want to do something creative?
I would ask you, of course, if I could use your card or anything that I want to use in case you need it for something special.
Wow.
And then I would like make something for my story, or just something creative if I don't have a story written.
And do you think your friends know how to take care of themselves really well? Do you think they know how to relax?
If I have to be particular with a few of my friends, I would say a few of them, their mums make their decisions, and then the others, like they decide, do I want to chew gum, and they just tell themselves yes, yes, yes. So I think they can't make amazing decisions.
You think that's why their parents do it for them?
Yeah.
So do you think you make your own decisions because we trust you to make good decisions?
Well, when I was 7, I wasn't trusted at all because I woke up in the middle of the night, went on my Kindle, and you called me.
Yeah, we did.
And I was really told off because it was actually 12, and I didn't look at my clock.
And you tried telling me it was the morning.
Yeah.
Even though it was really dark.
Yeah. It was a silly idea.
So what's changed from when you were 7?
Well, I've got Kindle time.
What, the limiter?
Yeah. It just tells me I've watched so much.
Yeah. But it tells you it's not the right time, you're not allowed to watch it because you're supposed to be asleep.
And it has a little bunny, which is really cute. So that just takes me off.
So if you were trying to give advice to someone about how to relax and what they could do to make themselves feel a bit calmer and happier, what would you suggest they do? I would suggest taking yoga classes because you're a really good teacher and you make them feel very calm, happy. And I would. But you don't do yoga.
What? I'm not going to say.
Well, you try yoga, but you don't go to classes.
Let's not go to there, okay?
Why?
I do it sometimes.
Oh, just on your own?
Yeah.
That's why you keep a mat in here?
Yes.
Oh.
But
you don't like to do it when you're...
No.
Because I'm your mum.
Sometimes when she comes in, I just jump on my bed and pretend I'm like watching something. And I just fold it up like how she last saw it, and she doesn't know at all.
So you would recommend yoga?
Yeah, because even I get calm from it.
Even you?
Yeah. I would also recommend doing some like calm things, like going to like some calm places, maybe.
Calm places.
Maybe go for a walk.
Oh, I see. Outside.
Yeah.
I thought you meant in your mind.
No. And also, like, imagine, because that always calms me down. So.
What kind of things do you like to imagine?
I like to imagine my characters that I choose in my head. So that's something.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Immy.
It's okay.
Excellent interview. Any other words of wisdom you'd like to leave people with?
Please go to this lovely lady's classes. She is amazing. And I
didn't even tell her to say that.
I really do recommend going to them.
Mwah.